The sun, one of the greatest blessings we all share. But here's the crazy part. Most people don't really know how to use it right. Even such a free, generous gift, the sun itself. And today, people aren't just suffering from dirty air or water. They're suffering from a lack of sunlight. What actually happens to your body when you don't get enough sun? See if this sounds familiar. Low energy, constant fatigue, mood swings or even depression, weak bones or back pain, brittle nails and hair, trouble with your heart or immunity. All of these are warning signs of one thing. Your body may be running low on vitamin D3. And remember, your main source of D3 isn't food or supplements, it's the sun itself. Studies suggest that 70 to 80% of people worldwide don't have enough vitamin D3. Think about it. The sun rises every single day for billions of people. So why are so many still deficient? Here are 5 main reasons why most people lack D3. 1. Geography. If you live above the 37th parallel north, you basically can't make vitamin D from the sun during fall and winter. 2. Time of day. Your body makes D3 only between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., and you need 20 to 40 minutes of direct sun. By the way, sunscreen blocks this process completely. 3. Skin tone. Darker skin produces vitamin D3 more slowly. 4. Age. As we get older, our skin simply can't make D3 as effectively. 5. Lifestyle. Let's be real. Offices, cars, apartments, most of us barely see the sun. Can food fix it? Not really. You'd have to eat a lot of salmon, eggs, or mushrooms just to cover your daily need. That's why for most people, supplements are the only realistic option. Here's a fun fact. D3 isn't technically a vitamin at all. It's actually a hormone, a powerful regulator in your body. And it does way more than you think. Helps absorb calcium and phosphorus. Keeps bones and teeth strong. Supports your immune system. Boosts muscles and nerves. Even influences over 2,000 genes in your body. That's why some scientists call it a true master regulator. Now, how much do you actually need? Research shows around 5,000 to 10,000 IU daily is considered safe for prevention. Higher doses, even up to 20,000 IU, may be used therapeutically, but always check with your doctor before taking high amounts. And here's some 3 most people don't know. Never take D3 MK7. Why? Because D3 helps you absorb calcium, and K2 makes sure that calcium goes into your bones, not your arteries. Quick note, K2 is not the same as K1, the blood clotting vitamin. Did you know? Magnesium is an important mineral that actually helps your body absorb vitamin D3 much more effectively. Among the many forms, magnesium glycinate and magnesium citrate are known to be safe, effective, and super gentle on your stomach. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got an upcoming episode all about the amazing health benefits of magnesium, and you definitely won't want to miss it. That's why knowing about vitamin D3 is absolutely essential. And in the next episode, we'll break down its partner in crime, vitamin K2. So if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs more sunshine in their life. Stay healthy, stay close to nature, and use its gifts wisely.